Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. I have the Galaxy A16 here, and of course I'm going to show you how to place this device into maintenance mode. So first of all, you're going to go to your settings. Next, you're going to go down and you're going to search for the option that says device care. All right, and here you go down again, you're going to see maintenance mode. And of course, maintenance mode is meant to protect your privacy while your device is being repaired. So for example, if you're going to take this phone in to be repaired, whether it be Samsung or of course anybody else, and they need access to the software, you can confidently give your phone over by first placing it into maintenance mode. So go ahead and hit maintenance mode. Here you go. So this is maintenance mode. So all you got to do is, here is turn on, but note that only pre-installed apps are available to whoever is going to use it, including pictures, messages, accounts, and so on. Right? You'll need to unlock your phone to turn off maintenance mode. In other words, if your phone has a password lock on it, nobody can take it out of maintenance mode unless they know that password. So you can actually place it in here, place it in this mode, and of course, whoever is repairing your phone will not have access to your personal apps, your pictures, and personal data. So I'm going to hit turn on. All right, it says create a log. It's best to do that or keep that check. I need to restart, but for me, I want to save some time because creating the logs takes extra time. So I'm going to hit restart. Here it asks for my password. All right, so once it asks for the password, I'm going to hit continue. It's saying switch in your phone to maintenance mode. Now, of course, from here, it's hands off until it gets into the mode. So what it's doing is switch into maintenance mode. Now this is rebooting. I'm going to cut out sections of this. All right, so notice it's still doing some work here. So it switch into maintenance mode. And of course, here we go. So it's doing its thing. All right. And as you can see here, give me a second. All right. It's still loading all the necessary files. All right, there you go. So it's now finished. It says maintenance mode. And it's going to say maintenance mode once you're in the mode. So you cannot mistakenly stay in this mode in error. So it will always indicate that maintenance mode is on. All right, guys, so that's it. So from here, you can simply hand over the device to whoever is doing the repair. And for example, here, the device will remain unlocked. Only way that the device will ask for its password if the person in question tries to get out of the mode. So if you go into your photos, for example, there's none. All right, there are personal photos on this device. So this is a great mode, especially if the person needs to use the software that you can actually give them now to actually do what they're doing. All right, every time you're sending your device or repair, it's best to place it in this mode. All right, so of course that's how you do it. And to exit, you're gonna swipe down from the left and you're gonna tap here. And of course, once you tap here to exit, it will exit. All right, so that's how to do it. Enter maintenance mode, and I'll show you as well how to exit it.